So this is a side handle which has a 1/4 by 20 attachment point, and you can basically use it as a side handle for a cell phone mount or a camera or basically anything with a 1/4 by 20 point here. I received this to review for free. If you want to purchase it, it would cost you $30. They haven't paid me for my review, and so my opinions remain my own. So in the box, you get this little side handle mount, and it has up here a 1/4 by 20 mount, so you could just use it as a kind of standard handle for a small sports camcorder type of thing. So if you're looking for, a little better grip on something, you can just mount it like that. Now, it also has a fold-out handle here, so you push this button and you can fold it either left or right, so whichever side you're looking to get a hand grip on, and it snaps in place there at the 90°. It snaps in place near there. And so you could, for example, hold this thing like that if you're trying to do vertical photography, or you can add this onto something else. So if you have a camera with a rig on it, like a cage around it, and the cage has a 1/4 by 20 mount on the other side, you could have a dual handle on your camera cage, for example. To deploy it, you put it back in, you just go like that. It snaps in the middle, and it snaps on the other side. Now, this does also have a 1/4 by 20 hole, so you can put this on a tripod. It's grooved here for particular sized quick release plates, and basically at the top you also have a cold shoe mounting spot. So right here you could put an accessory that goes into a cold shoe. So weight-wise, we're running in at 6 ounces. It's 172 grams. So this guy is just under 5 inches, about 4 3/4 inches long. It's just a little bit narrower than it is wide. It fits in your hand pretty well. They have a rubber grip around the front here, so it feels pretty comfortable to hold on to as a handle. So the phone mount isn't included in the package. You have to provide your own phone mount or buy it as a separate item. But you can see how you could use this to carry a phone around and shoot video with a phone and just have a little bit better handle on it. All right, so final thoughts. It's a handle. It's a very nice handle. The aluminum construction is very nice. Everything snaps and hooks together very nicely. You have options, left, right, or top, and you have extra bits like, the cold shoe here. So if you have a camera off there, you could have a microphone or something up on top, plus the 1/4 by 20 down here, so you could stack this on top of something else. So at this price, I think it's worth it, but it's only worth it if you know you need a handle for something. This isn't really an impulse buy. This is, hey, I have a very specific need, and here this product's going to fill that need.